Have you heard the latest FILMARK Mega TV? Best Nollywood Movies. Subscribe.
Do it.
Watch.
Enjoy it.
And comment.
FILMARK Mega TV on YouTube. We move.
FILMARK Mega TV. Hello.
Promise. Madam. Please come. Yes, ma'am.
Work was fine, but I did not bring mine home.
Is that what this face is about?
Maybe. Just maybe. Nora, the way you're prioritizing your job, even at the expense of your husband, is really beginning to get to me.
But baby, I thought we talked about this.
Oh, did we? Nora, is that why you couldn't even give your husband a warm welcome? Nora, you don't even prepare my food anymore. You don't even give me attention like you used to before this banking job. I'm your husband, for crying out loud. I'm married to you, but it seems you're married to your job instead.
Okay, fine. How about between now and the end of this year, I'll stop work. By then, I would have saved up enough money to start up a business that will make me take care of you and the house.
Fair enough.
Why did I forget to branch to Mazuka first place? Eh?
Veronica! Veronica! Okay, you were sleeping. Sorry.
Are you back?
I am back. It's not been longer. You know what happened? I forgot to branch to Mazuka Kafo's house to get money for which I supplied the wine to you.
Oh, okay.
Just go there, get me that money.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Well, you shouldn't take your time.
Okay.
I don't see you come and prepare something for me. Huh?
didn't mean to harm you. I meant to give you a sense of belonging. When you were, see, I'm sorry. Like I told you, whatever you want, I'm there to give it to you. Don't take offense. Do you have another person taking care of you? It's only me. And so far, it's not been bad. Listen, let's even start by. What is it? Just mention. Mention one, just one. I'll begin to do it for you. Well, just mention one. Because resistance will not help us. Because mention one.
I'm still a virgin.
You want to handle it very easy. And see what will happen over there. The way I'm going to do it, you won't feel any pain. Because you just wear your slippers.
You say you're going to do everything for me, are you sure?
Unless it's not what you mentioned. Once everything comes out from here, I am ready to do all of them. Just wear your slippers, Do I bring the slippers for you? Okay, one. Let your toes and go. One rice in this house is so much. But at times you have to eat rest. And your body has to be soft.
Uncle, why did you do this to me? Why did you do this to me, Uncle?
I'm sorry.
Why did you take advantage of my innocency? Why did you take advantage of my ignorance? Tell me, why did you sleep with me? Why did you sleep with me? Tell me. What if something comes out of this? How will I face the entire community? How will I face your wife? Your son? Your daughter? What about my people? How will I face them? Talk to me! Oh my goodness!
Let me give you assurance. See, I'm no longer a small boy. I'm a full-blown man ready to take the consequences. See, I promise you, whatever comes out of this, I'm ready to support you, to stand by you. Where will I leave you to run to? Nowhere. See, I am equal to the task. Don't have any fear. Whoever it is, let that person come. I won't run away. I'll help you. See, begin to make your demands. I will fulfill all of them. I didn't go this afraid. No. I couldn't have gone into this afraid. What you begin to think about is a new phase of life now, where life will be more comfortable for you. I promise you, I won't disappoint you. No. Why should I disappoint you? Why should I disappoint you? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Begin now to monitor all the promises I've made to you. See if I'm going to renege in any. I'll be out to fulfill each one of them to make you happy. Your life will rather change from the low level it is to a better one, I assure you. Just go take a bath. Clean up. Let's go. Because do I come and do it for you?
No.
No, but I can do it for you. Do it for you. Eh? Do I come and clean you up? Because, the pain will soon be over. It is natural. It has happened to every young girl. But your own will be different because I can even sell any parcel of land to take care of you. The only thing I will do is Igbo woman who now takes over. over the situation because oh, what's it go? Go. Hey, nkwa. Let me go and clean up myself also. First of all,
So baby's fine?
Yes, he is. He just took his bed now.
Nice. Ma, please, peradventure you want to return to the village, please endeavor to give me at least 1 week notice, right? Because I need to prepare you very well. Well, yes, get a whole lot of stuff for you, so when you get to the village, they will know you visited your in-law.
Yeah. It's alright. I'm not open. Please go in hand. I don't know where.
No, not like I'm asking you to leave, right? But in case anything like that comes up, remember to give me a notice and pre-hand information, right?
I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
You're not ready yet. I can imagine when you start to eat your food, just carry me and put it into your mouth. What does that? It's only in my in-laws' house that happens. Mom! I'm here now, Enjoy yourself, Mom. This is you. Lift your cup. Apa ajo ike.
In.
What?
Yes.
Hey! Udekwe.
Eh?
Vero is pregnant.
Yeah. The words are face. Bring down your voice because.
And so what? So what? This is not something one can have forever because very soon it will show.
That's what I came to announce to you. We just have to be careful. People they don't hear about it.
No. So what?
Your wife is back.
So, why am I? You're back from market? Oh, yeah, come and
No.
I hope now you got a razzle mangala.
Let me run along.
Oluchi, I'm pregnant for Mazudeke. What? Are you serious? What do you intend to do? Are you planning to keep the baby there?
What do you mean by that? Or what do you have me do?
About the baby. Are you ready to face your madam? Our sons? Our daughter? Are you village people? Come on, think about it.
You are mad. You are insane. Yes! You're asking me, Veronica, to commit abortion with a very terrible friend. You're wicked. What if I die in the process? What will you say? Tell me! What will you say? What will you say? You're very wicked. I never knew you're such a bad friend. I should commit abortion. A child given to me by God. I should remove it. A gift. You know what? I don't have your time. I need to leave here.
Stupid. You're calling me a bad person. Because I'm giving you advice. You're stupid. Alright.
That I called Papa, and Papa said Mama hasn't returned from Omugo up till now that I'm talking to you. And I called Mama on phone, Mama blocked my call. She was saying all sorts of things. Saying that by now I would have been wallowing in the village. If not the role she played to beg Mr. Richard to give me money that I use in starting my own business, that now I have more to talk. I have no option than to call Papa and tell him to do anything that makes him happy. To avoid the old man having BP.
I thought after having a long talk with Mama on the phone, she could have returned back to the village by now. So what's the problem?
Papa has practically complained that he's tired of calling me on phone. And I understand him.
Actually, I guess he's tired. And he has decided to hands off with the way I'm saying things right now, honestly speaking.
Anyway, that's by the way. Onyechi sent me the picture of my daughter on WhatsApp.
Is that so? Let me see it.
Yeah, she complained that she can barely see you online.
Actually, she's right. That was when I changed my WhatsApp number. I'll see what I can do for me to shut up again.
Just try reaching.
I swear, I'm really tired of everything about Mama. Seriously, don't just understand.
Mama! Oga, where you there now?
Yeah, no. Let me just tell you this. This uncle's talk is too official. It takes you too high there. Bring it down. Think of any name you're going to call me that is romantic, that can touch the heart. You go ahead. That's the essence.
Okay, I've heard. No problem.
Okay. So what is it? What is the problem?
I came to tell you that the food stuff you bought is almost finished.
Food stuff finished? Well, we have plenty things in that room she locked. All the food stuff brought by my in-law. She locked everything in that room. Where can we get hammer now? Where can we get hammer? Let's look for hammer. I break that door. What does she mean? Why should we stop here when we have plenty locked up somewhere?
What an act of wickedness. What extent can people be heartless? Eh? Look at it. Look at everything here. Eh? Don't stop in this house. Eh? Look at it. Take away everything. We can't stop in my own house. My own house. Eh? Wickedness abounds everywhere. Everywhere. Eh? They will be controlled. So my wife can be this heartless? Check everywhere. Rubbish. Good. Come and prepare something for me. I can be hungry in my house. Which one do you prepare here? Kika. Huh? Go and prepare whatever you want here. I'm hungry. You are hungry. Go ahead. I give you all the license. But you didn't say that. Eh?
No my gano, Veronica gano kwa. Werobioma, nabata Veronica. Chai, werobioma chagi, nabata Veronica. Kobili, Rapaya, Kobili, Ifeya Masilimo, Kobili, Rapaya, Kobili, Ifeya Masilimo.
I'm happy. I'm happy. At least my friend Mazudekwe has found happiness again. Huh? His wife, Norma, is too insensitive to leave a full-grown man in the house with a house help, Veronica. A mature girl for that matter. Don't worry. I guess when she come back, she might meet Veronica with heavy pregnancy or even put to bed. Eh? It serves her right. Yeah, it serves her right. It serves her right. Well, let me go and rest so that I can go and continue with my Okada walk.
No man, you left me all alone and went for a move on. You have refused to come back.
This is bad though. I have always known that men will always be men. But on this one, Norma, my friend, didn't play her part very well as a mother and a wife. What on earth is she still doing in the city for her daughters Onyinyechuku? Should I be the bearer of bad news? But let me verify this. I'll verify it first. Yes. I'll verify it.
She gives me comfort, she feeds me. Anything I want, she does for me. Now I feel like a young boy. Thanks to Veronica. Veronica has saved me. Veronica has done me well. Oh. In fact, I can't let go of Veronica. In fact, Veronica will be mine.
Mama.
Junior is asleep already.
Yes, but I will soon go back to be with him.
Okay.
My in-law. No. I came to tell you that I'll be traveling by this month's end.
Oh, really, Mama? Okay, you know what, Mama? I am going to make every necessary arrangement to make sure that you return home happily.
Yes.
Like everything you need, I will provide it.
Yes.
Okay?
No problem, no problem.
I also want to thank you. For your time. It's not easy to leave everything you have to do in the village and stay here with us to take care of our baby.
Yes.
We really appreciate that.
We do, Mama. Thank you so much.
May my God bless you. On Lord the Kage. Ogomaebo. Igabiano wa. You a good man. My God will reward you. Oh, maybe go now for me. Oh, let me go and stay with the baby.
Oh,
okay. Okay.
God, I thank you. Darling, at least I will now have peace with my father's endless calls.
Yeah, you see, I told you to calm down. Calm down and let her take the decision by herself. Don't you think it's better now?
Yes, whatever. All I know is that she is now going in peace.
Go.
Because said to lawyer, because Mama is so hard. Hey.
Yeah. That's me. That's me.
Have you heard the latest FILMARK MEGAVTV Best Nollywood Movies? Subscribe.
Do it.
Watch.
Enjoy it.
And comment.
FILMARK MEGAVTV on YouTube. We move.
FILMARK MEGAVTV. Heaven.